Hello guys, so today I will show you how to make a phone stand. So for this I have taken an A4 size sheet for this and just take these 2 points then and fold it with these 2 points like this. Then open it and taking this point and fold this corner to make a triangle like this, and same do with this part also, just fold it like this the same way. Fold it nicely and open it, switch to the other side and we'll do the same thing here also. Just take one corner, one by one corner, and fold it like this to make one triangle here and one triangle here like this. Fold it nicely, open it, and now I have this and I have this. I am taking these 2 points, this point folded and this point folded. Take a scale and with the help of scale just put the scale on points here, here and here, and just fold it like this, the whole side. Fold, and you can now take out this ruler and just fold it like this without the scale. Fold it nicely, open it and take this point and this corner and make 2 triangles, one here and one here. Fold it inside like this and switch to this side, and this and this, just fold it like this. Press it, fold it and press it, and switch to this side then, and I will take this point and this, just fold it inside, making this fold like this, and this one also like this. This fold will then show and come like this one, and the same thing I will do with this also. Here also just take this and taking this point and this point in mind, just fold it inside. Like this. So now this I have, okay. So you can just open it, just fold it nicely, and we'll work on this side only. So open it, and this is now I have. Just switch to this side and open this part and this part. Just keeping this point, I will just fold this first, taking the middle point in mind, And here also I will do the same thing. Take this point and this point, I will just fold it inside. Like, take a scale and then you can do ruler and just fold this part inside. Now I can remove this and just fold these points inside. And take this and you can just fold it like this. After the fold, take one triangle like this, just fold it and another from here, just another fold. And now here you can fold this part inside also. And from here also, the earlier fold we have made, just fold it inside. And then this one, now it's, when you do like this, it will come like this. You can just put it inside and it's made and it's done, and it's our ready phone stand. So for the bottom of this, we can just fix it inside, just put the outer stuff inside that is coming. And now we can check also our phone stand which I have made. And I can use whatever I can watch. So it's a stable one, it will not break like that, and it's a strong one. You can make for your kids or for yourself, and it's easy to make.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Smash the like button. Please comment also. And please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics. And to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadik's World. Bye bye.